Good morning, and once again welcome to my YouTube channel, Pearson and Excel International Maths by Mr. Kamoto. And in this video I want us to understand example 8 of shape and space 10, page 407. And we've been talking about cosine rule. We have introduced ourselves to cosine rule, and you know how cosine rule works. This is the cosine rule. You can write it in any format, but more importantly, we need to know how to use it. So in this example, we want to have this triangle ABC. A is 115 degrees. There is this side A. Of course, when we have vertex A, the opposite side is small a. When we have vertex B, the opposite side is small b, which is 6 centimeters, and this is side C, which is 9 centimeters. And we are told now to find A in 3 significant figures. One thing, because we already know how to use the sine rule, it becomes very difficult to use the sine rule, because as much as we know this is A over sine 115, we have 6 over sine an angle that we don't know, or we have a 9 over sine of an angle that we don't know. So we cannot have this unknown and this unknown. You cannot have this unknown when you're having A sine 115 is equals to 6 over sine an angle, which is not known. So basically we'll be having two unknowns. So if we need to use the sine rule, it is not going to apply here. So the only thing we need to use is the cosine rule, because we have this side, and the angle in between is given. So we say what? A squared is equals to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc, the cosine of angle A. And A squared is this one, so A squared is going to be equals to b squared, which is 6 squared, plus c squared, which is 9 squared, minus 2, 6, 9, and the cosine of 115 degrees. It's simply a matter of calculator, and we can have A squared is equals to 36 plus 81 minus 2 times 6, that is 12. We have the calculator there. 2 times 6 times 9, which is 108. 108 cosine 115. This is times cosine 115, close bracket. So we have minus 135. So what we have is A squared is equals to 36 plus 81 minus 108 times minus, because the cosine of 115, let's just work it out. The cosine 115 alone is negative 0.325. Negative the cosine 115 negative negative 0.325. Let's have it proper. This one, my calculator is in radians, so we have to change it into degrees. Yes, let's just do that. So let's go back to have the cosine of 115 is equals to negative 0.422. Yes, again, please take care, your calculator has to be in degree mode. It was in radian mode, and that is why I was getting a different cosine of 115. So negative 0.4242 4226. And that is just like it. When we have now a squared being equals to 36 plus 81, minus minus means plus, so times 108, so we have 45 plus 45.64, everything now 45.64 plus 81 plus 36, we have something that looks like this is 162.642. Now this, remember, this is still a squared. A squared is 162.642. So to get a, we have to have the square root of 162.642, which is basically the root of answer, which is 2.8, which is not 2 but 12.8 centimeters. And that is just what we needed to understand. Please follow. The cosine rule has been very useful there. It's just application, and you'll find this cosine rule in the formula booklet. All right.